In this video, I'm showing you how to make Chermoula Eggplant. It's super delish. And if you're new to my channel, I'm Julie with Mint Personal Chef. I release a new cooking video and recipe every week, so make sure to subscribe to my channel so you're in the loop. If you're ready, let's get cooking. To try meal prep but you didn't know where to start? Well, now is your chance. I have a free 5-day meal prep challenge for complete beginners. It's completely free and the link is down below in the video description, so make sure to check that out. And I'll see you next time. Happy eating!